and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, this is Bamba, Nyumba na AMG. Okay, you have to say yes, but we can do that one as well. Ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, this is Bamba, Nyumba na AMG. Amazing. Can you appreciate yourself with a mighty, mighty clap as you have your seat? Come on, you can appreciate yourself better as you have your seat today. Amazing. You can have your seat. You can have your seat. How are you feeling? Should we go for another round of AIA? Yeah. AMG, eh? AMG. Thank you so much for joining us today, ladies and gentlemen. This is Bamba Nyumba na AMG Grand Draw. Someone say Grand Draw. I want to hear that. This is the Grand Draw, ladies and gentlemen. Someone say Grand Draw. And we are live here at AMG Center. Yes, we are located along Thika Road at Roasters, just exit 7 from the Thika Superhighway, ladies and gentlemen. And today we are privileged to be joined by some special guests. Are you ready to hear them? Are you ready? Ladies and gentlemen, in the house, in the building, we have our CEO designate, none other than Martin Gedenji. Let's appreciate him with a mighty, mighty clap. In the building, ladies and gentlemen, we are joined by media partners as well. We have Monica Kagoni from the famous Media Kagoni. Let's appreciate Monica Kagoni. Amazing, amazing. And we will be joined by others such as Terrence as well as Jeremy Damaris. Ladies and gentlemen, we have the BCLB officials. Even do unajua hii kitu ni uzito, si ndio? We have the BCLB officials with us. Let's appreciate them kwa makofi. And we have AMG. AMG. We have the AMG staff members with us. Come on, let's appreciate them kwa makofi. And let me tell you something. If you look at what they're wearing, they are all ready for Bamba Nyumba na AMG Grand Draw. Let's appreciate them one more time for being ready for the occasion. Amazing, amazing. And ladies and gentlemen, we are joined live. So to all our viewers who are joining us live, we want to welcome you and we want to appreciate you. Come on, us who are here, let's appreciate our viewers kwa makofi wale ambao wanatu join live. Awesome, awesome. We'll be sharing. Na muombe ulimi hii yangu. Ni kama imekuwa mzito sana jioni ya leo. So we will take a moment to pray for my heavy tongue as well. We have our viewers and we'll be sharing. Simunipigie makofi hapo. Amazing, amazing. So ladies and gentlemen, without wasting any time, we have been running Bamba Nyumba na AMG Realtors since last year. I want to show you some of the many winners that we've had. We have given gift vouchers worth $300, ladies and gentlemen. Every month, we have been giving a 50 by 100 plot to one lucky winner who has been investing with us. So today, we are going to see some of our winners and hear from them. See what they have to say after having won or having received that call from AMG Realtors. Are we ready? Are we ready? Awesome. Without further ado, I'd like to take it over to the technical team and let's enjoy the following clip. Thank you. Gift voucher was $300. Becky Munanie Wambua.
My name is Peggy, and I'm this week's winner of Bamba Nyumba na AMG.
Rima Jones Makumba. Oh my goodness.
I was really happy. Well, I would just say I was not shocked.
Martin, right, all right. As it's also displayed on our screen, Bamba Nyumba na AMG had a tongue twister, ladies and gentlemen. Who knows the tongue twister that we had?
$300.
Imagine.
Oh. $300. That's good money. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. How are you feeling?
Oh, so good. I never hear.
Acha turudie basi.
Are you for real?
We are for real. Of course we are for real.
Oh. Are you serious or you are just joking with me? I have not received anything from Kenya. That would be something, that would be the best gift in my life.
Actually, I wasn't expecting that.
Okay.
Yeah, it got me by surprise. I was at work.
Christine Adhiambo Okudo.
Kezia Warwinu Mwangi.
My name is Kezia Mwangi. Thank you for the gift that I have won of the 300 US dollars.
George Kuria Garachu.
My name is George Ngarashu, and it has been a while since I have won any gift, but I'm so excited today to say that I am the lucky winner who got the $300 voucher from AMG Realtors.
Winners kwa makofi. Yes, I believe we'll get a chance to see that even in our lives. They have gotten a chance to see, and you can see. I want you to ask your neighbor, if you had a gift voucher of $300, what would you have done with it? Abu akwambie hiyo mahesabu. Naona Monica anasema hata sijui. That is 47,000. Awesome. AMG. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Bamba Nyumba na AM draw. Ladies and gentlemen, are we ready? Are we ready for such an event of this magnitude? Are we ready? AMG. Come on, I can't hear you. Are we ready? Right about now, we are almost getting to know. I want your neighbor. Do you think you know the winner? Or is it you? Muulize hiyo swali ya kuambie anaona aje. Amazing. So, amesema aje? Amesema ni yeye. Great. At this juncture, we are going to go straight to our speeches. And ladies and gentlemen, I mentioned we have very great media houses and influencers with us. So today, I want you to help me invite. When I say help me invite, I want you to beat. Is it beating? Nataka uchape kofi moja. Mikono yako, that is. Usichape mtu. Are we ready? So when I say help me invite, you give me one clap. Help me invite. Monica kwa makofi. Ladies and gentlemen, hajafika makofi ya Monica Kagoni iko wapi? Amazing.
Asante Elijah. Nimesikia ukisema uombewe juu ya ulimi yako. I think mimi ndio nafaa kuombewa zaidi. Juu ulimi yangu inaweza teleza anytime. Anyway, good afternoon. And good afternoon to all our viewers. I first want to appreciate AMG because of this day. We started this kind of campaign around 4 months ago, last year. And I want to give my testimony as a customer and as an influencer of AMG Realtors. As an influencer of AMG Realtors, I really want to appreciate you because for the last 4 years that I have been with AMG, I have never slept with butterflies in my stomach. The last the last 4 months when we launched this campaign and we told our viewers that there's this campaign and someone is going to win a 3-bedroomed house in Nanyuki, I knew it was going to happen because for the last 4 years, I have seen that what you promise our viewers and our customers, that is what you deliver. And that is why I stand here so confidently telling my viewers that it could be one of you who is going to win a 3-bedroomed house in Nanyuki sitting on 1/4 of an acre. So AMG, nataka mjipigie makofi kwa sababu sidhani kuna kampuni ingine imefika zile standards AMG imeset in the real estate. And I'm not saying that because I am an influencer. I'm saying that now as a customer. Number 2, I really want to thank you for really being a solution to our viewers, especially in diaspora, those who want to buy land, but before they used, to fear because almost 80% of them, they have been conned. They have told me those stories of how they were conned by other companies, by their relatives, by their friends, until they reached a point and felt they don't want to invest back at home anymore. But for the last 4 years, especially to my viewers, Medha ya Kagoni, AMG has been a solution when it comes to land investments, because what you do, what you tell them is what you deliver. When you tell them they'll get their titles in 60 days, for sure, we have seen testimonials of people who are saying, I got my title in less than 60 days. I got it in London. I got it in the US. I got it in Qatar, all those kind of places. So once again, mujipigie makofi for the standards that you have set in the real estate. Jipigieni makofi. Yeah. So as I finish, I really cannot wait to see the person who is going to win the Bamba Nyumba today. I really hope it is one of the ardent viewers of Medha ya Kagoni. I really hope and I really pray that one of them becomes a winner. So I can't wait. The only butterflies that I'm having right now in my stomach is just getting to know who is going to be the winner in this grand draw. So asante sana AMG, and thank you so much for being a solution to those who want to invest in real estate. Thank you so much.
Amazing. Come on, we can appreciate Monica better kwa makofi. Ladies and gentlemen, we are joined live. We are live on Facebook as well as live on our YouTube channel at AMG Realtors. And I'm seeing a lot of responses. Mwihaki Njeri anasema AMG Realtors, sisi ndio tuko. Sisi ndio tuko ama ni nani? I can see Joyce. Joyce Kimani is saying Bamba Nyumba Let's join Joyce. Bamba Nyumba. Bamba Nyumba. Then we have Gwen Pwiti. Ladies, abu ambia jirani yako ajaribu kusema hiyo jina. Gwen Pwiti? Yeah. Gwen Pwiti. Anasema AMG all the way. Integrity. Sindio? Situpigie Gwen Pwiti makofi. And we have Nelly Nell as well, who has appreciated us kwa makofi. Let's also appreciate Nelly Nell. Amazing. Remember, we are live on Facebook as well as on YouTube as well, ladies and gentlemen. On YouTube, we also have Miriam Duo anasema, hello Elijah. Miriam, hello to you too. Asanteni sana, and anatupigia makofi, hata tupigieni Miriam kwa makofi. Amazing. Remember that this is the AMG Realtors Bamba Nyumba na AMG Realtors Grand Draw. Someone say grand. El Grande. It's big. It is not a small thing. The Grand Draw with AMG Realtors. Nelly ametuongelesha tena. Raya makofi amesema AMG pamoja tupigieni Nelly makofi. Now the question is, ladies and gentlemen, all of those who are viewing us live right at AMG Center on our permanent residence, have you invested with AMG Realtors, and will you be the winner of this beautiful 3-bedroom house like a piece of land in Nanyuki? Now, before I invite our next guest, I want us to try something. So I want you to prepare your lips and your tongue. Monica ameongelea kuwa na ulimi ngumu. So leo tutajaribu kitu inaitwa tongue twister. Someone say tongue twister. I want you to Yes, and I want you to listen and listen carefully. Yeah? Baba, baba. Okay? Baba, baba. If you want to bamba, baba, bamba nyumba na AMG. Tumeshika ama nirudie? Aya, ni time munajibaia. Najua mshashika. Baba, baba. If you want to bamba, baba, bamba nyumba na AMG. Now I want you to say it 3 times and I want you to say it very fast. Are you ready? Bamba nyumba eh? All right, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Twende. Eh, bamba baba. Okay. Iko sawa? If you want to bamba. Watu wa online tuandikie. Mwasu wa Keno anasema ako ndani sana na anasema hiyo tongue twister imemvunja roho. Ladies and gentlemen. Mwasu wa Keno, you can try it as well with the people. Ladies and gentlemen, again, this is the Bamba Nyumba na AMG Grand Draw and we are giving away a very beautiful, beautiful house. House sitting on a 1/4 acre piece of land. Now, we are very honored to have our CEO designate with us. So help me invite none other than Martin Gedenji. Jameni hajafika, makofi yake iko wapi? Karibu sana.
Thank you, Elijah. Is it good evening or afternoon? Evening this afternoon, eh? It depends on where you are. Yes, I believe it's an afternoon in the UK, and of course here in Kenya it's at 34 minutes past 4 in the PM. And I think for me today, I'm so delighted this afternoon, this evening, because this is the day that we have been waiting for. True or not true? Waswahili wanasema hayawi 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 huwa. Na tena wanasema kama si sasa ni sasa hivi. So today is the day when we get to know the winner of the house that we said we are giving as an organization, as a company. We promised, we came to you and said, once and when you invest with us from September last year, you are going to get a ticket for every 100,000 that you buy a plot with us or invest with us. We are going to give you a ticket with every 100,000. And let me tell you one thing. It is so amazing because today I want to report that since we started this promotion, we've had more than 950 participants in this promotion. Let's clap for our customers. I also want to mention that since this promotion, very important, that we've had the number of tickets generated. Can you imagine? Number of tickets generated. More than 15,000 tickets. Let's clap for ourselves and also for our customers. It is very key and important to mention that as we hand over this fantastic house in Nanyuki today, it is important to mention several things. Number one, that we are not just giving a house, but we are giving a 3-bedroom house or a 3-bedroom bungalow in Nanyuki, sitting on a 1/4 acre piece of land. So guess what, ladies and gentlemen? We are not just giving the house, the keys to the house, we are also giving an important document, which is the title deed. Are we together? Tuko pamoja? So we are not just giving away the house. We are giving away a title deed, a 1/4 acre title deed. Can you imagine winning a house, the keys to the house, title deed? It's an amazing this afternoon, and that is the reason why, again, because I don't want to take much of our time, to remind us promises that we have as an organization. So for the last 11 years, because there is someone who is asking online, why is it that AMG is giving a house? Why is it that we decided we are going to give a house in Nanyuki, a 3-bedroom house? Just a recap, that for the last 11 years in business as a company, AMG Realtors, we have promised several other things. Number one, since our inception as an organization, we said that we are going to deliver titles to our customers within 60 days. We call it 60 days money back guarantee. Tuko pamoja? So we are not only delivering on the promise of the house, but there are other promises that we have been delivering. The second thing is that we have promised our customers for the last 11 years. Once when you invest with us, you are going to get your title deed wherever you are across the world via DHL. And we have delivered that promise continuously. Tuko pamoja? The other thing we have promised our customers for the last 11 years is that once and when you invest with us, the prices of our projects from Nanyuki to Juja to Malindi to the fantastic new location that we are going to launch today called All Saruni, all those prices of the projects that we have scattered across the country, can you imagine? Our promise to you is that the price is inclusive. So as we deliver this gift of the 3-bedroom house, there are other things we've promised and we've continuously delivered to you. Again, besides what I have mentioned, where we have our office is our main office and it's our permanent address. So you can always find us here at AMG Center. Now, something else about this particular promotion, it is important to mention that since we started this promotion, ladies and gentlemen, we've been able to give away 15 shopping vouchers worth $300 each. So you can imagine if we gave 15 shopping vouchers and each was going for 300. So we've given shop worth how many? 1,500. Translated in shillings, even shopping voucher. You can imagine shopping. You've given shopping vouchers over a tune to an excess of 700,000 Kenya shillings. Let's clap for ourselves. And I mean, won and delivered. Tuko pamoja. The other thing is that we've also given away, since we started this promotion, 4 8-acre plots worth 170,000. So again, we've given plots. And of course, as we say, the value of land keeps going up every single time. So we are not saying that the people who own the plots, they might have won a plot worth 170,000. But next year, a time like this, that plot will probably be 200,000 or 250,000. So the value of the plots we've given in this particular promotion, of course, will keep going up as we continue with our investments here at AMG. It's also important to mention, as I conclude, that I want to appreciate the customers, our customers, wherever you are. I want to take this opportunity to thank you for choosing to invest with AMG Realtors for the last 11 years. And as we draw near and near to getting to know the winner of the fantastic house in Nanyuki, it is important to remind every single one of us, including our customers across the world, that already you are all winners. You are all winners. Why are you winners? Because it was a promotion above and beyond investing with us. So you are investing, getting a title, and above and beyond you have a bonus of winning the house. Tuko pamoja? So you're already a winner of an investment. That is very important because, as we say, there will be one winner. Sindio? I mean of the house. But in terms of investments, we are all winners because we've been able to invest with AMG for the last 11 years. Now, how are we looking at promotions and rewarding our customers? It is important, for me to mention that this year, 2024, things will be bigger and better for our customers in terms of rewarding our customers once and when you invest with us. So at this particular moment, January 2024, to all of us watching us across the world, it is important to mention to you that the promotions this year will be bigger and better. So what do you need to do? You need to start investing early. Grab your phone, call us, text us, check us out on our website so that you can be able to angle yourself for the investments that we'll be having and the promotions that we'll be having this year to reward you, because there are many. Remember, at AMG, we have something called the loyalty program. So at AMG, we have 4 categories of loyalty to our customers. The first one is Ivory. Once you start investing with us, it's between 0 to 2,500 points. That's Ivory, a loyalty category. That's the first one. The second one is between 2,501 all the way to 5,000 points. That is a category called Silver. And of course, from 5,001 all the way to 10,000 points is a category called Gold category for our customers. And then from 10,001 and upwards is a category called Platinum. Why are these loyalty categories important? For those who are watching us, I know we customers. I have seen a lady called Gladys Miner all the way in New York, and of course many other customers who are watching us across the world. That you ask and get to know which category are you at, so that we are able to know what are the benefits that you are able to get in any of the categories I have mentioned: Ivory, Silver, Gold, and Platinum. Just some of the things that we have for you this year. For example, when you're in Platinum, just an example, you get exclusive pickups from the airport once you land in Kenya if you're outside the country. And if you're here in Kenya and you're in the Platinum category, you enjoy fantastic and amazing offers once and when we launch amazing investment opportunities that we have across the country 2024. So ladies and gentlemen, I don't want to take much of your time. The big question is here. Are you ready? Are you ready? It's about to go. It's about to go. Are you ready? Please ask your neighbor, are you ready? I think we need to. Are you ready? Are you ready? It's about to go down. This is the moment we have all been waiting for. We have the government officials here, Betting Control and Licensing Board, to ensure that the promotion in terms of awarding the winner is above board. So they are taking notes, ensuring that everything is above board. So before we get to know the winner, because it's about to go down, it's about that time we've been waiting for, it's important to mention that this year, 2024, as we start the year, AMG Waters Limited has thought about you because you have asked, and because you have asked us, we've come up with a fantastic project in Nanyuki. Everyone has been asking us for the last 11 years, AMG, why don't you have a project in this location, in Nanyuki? It is the most after-sought location in Nanyuki. Most after-sought what? The most after-sought location in Nanyuki. I mean, everyone asks about this location, including our customers. And we said, you know what? We are going to listen to our customers and do something about it. And that is the reason this afternoon I want to mention to you that we have a fantastic project next, are you ready? Next to a location which is the most after-sought location in Nanyuki, and this is Mayan location. As we know, there is a fantastic hotel called Mayan in Nanyuki, and we have an amazing project next to that hotel. Let's clap for ourselves. So what does that mean? What does this mean to you as we start the year? You have a golden opportunity to get an investment next to the most after-sought holiday destination in Kenya, and that is Mayan. Do you know what? Just the other day, Mayan changed its name to now Sarova Mayan Nanyuki. So once you invest with AMG in our project called All Saruni, you will not just be next to any project, but you'll be next to Sarova Mayan Nanyuki. That's what it means to you. So what do you do to become part of this amazing investment called All Saruni? Talk to us. I know there are a lot of people watching us online. Drop us a text, all Saruni investment, and we'll get back to you with more information about this particular investment. Without further ado, I want to invite Elijah so that we can get to know the winner of the 3-bedroom house in Nanyuki. So we are not only handing over the keys, but the titles as well. Remember, this investment where the house is, electricity is there. Tuko pamoja? Stima iko kwa nyumba. Tumesink borehole. So maji ni kwa wingi. Pahali natoka tunasema maji ni maji ni kwa wingi. Yani hautakosa maji. Can you imagine? Sasa mwenye amekuwa kiinvest na sisi. Swali ni moja. Simu iko wapi? Labda tu ukue hauko karibu na simu. Ebu ambia neighbor, uambie tuamsheni ma neighbors. Kwanza wale wako US, amsheni ma neighbors. Kama unajua uko Seattle na uko na rafiki yako Texas, mpigie simu, mwambie aweke simu karibu. Kama unapika, please kwanza zima hiyo gas. Hatutaki hiyo food iungue, si ndio? Ama ni aje Elijah? So this is about that time. Of course, again, I want to take this opportunity to thank you for choosing to invest with AMG Realtors for the last 11 years. And we have fantastic things for you this year, 2024. Thank you, and God bless you.
Ipitishwe kwa je. Masi. Ya camera now ipitishwe kwa Joy Masi. Ladies and gentlemen, as we move on, you can get to see the people that you are working with here at AMG Realtors. Wale ambao utapigia simu ukiwaambia hii all Saruni, sitaki kuachwa nyuma. Next to you said Sarova Mayan. Sarova Mayan. Sorry, not Mayan. Sarova Mayan. And wherever you are, we appreciate you. Come on, let's appreciate Mayan Koma Coffee. Amazing, amazing. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we are so privileged to have one of our media partners with us and our influencers. And I want us with a round of applause to appreciate Millie Chebi and Tim Kwamakofi. Come on, we can do a better job. Amazing, amazing. Hayawi, hayawi, huwa. Someone say, hayawi, hayawi, huwa. Ladies and gentlemen, one of our smart investors is about to walk away with a 3-bedroom house sitting on a 1/4-acre piece of land. And I know you are wondering, I have been mentioning this house time and time again. How does it look like? So today we are going to have a brief tour of the house just before we give it away. Ndio wewe ambao unatutizama, jameni. Ndio wewe mpenzi mtazamaji, uweze kuangalia kama smart investor, uone kile ambacho unaweza kuwa wewe ndiye mshindi. Hiyo Kiswahili yangu mmeiona aje? Imetry? So ladies and gentlemen, I would like to present to you the 3-bedroom house sitting on a 1/4-acre piece of land in Nanyuki. Thank you.
Wow. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, we are right here at the Bamba Nyumba house. This is the house we have been telling you about. Let's see how this house is, yeah? Oh my goodness, look at this beautiful sitting room or living area, my dear. So imagine you having set up this place, your own couch, your beautiful screen, and set up here as well. I know you are having an idea. And let me show you something, by the way. It is directly connected to this open plan kitchen. This door leads directly out to your kitchen garden. We have a very nice storage area right here that you can also use as a pantry area. we have a very beautiful guest bathroom right here. We are now at the bedroom area. This is a 3-bedroom house, remember. And let's start with bedroom number 1. As you can see, just a very sizable space where your bed can fit, or the bed of your young ones. Now let's check out bedroom number 2. Quite a similar design, spacious as well. You can have your bed. Now, you know there is always a master bedroom. Now, ladies and gentlemen, take a look at this master bedroom. And one surprising thing, it's en suite. So it has its own bathroom right here, and it has a very amazing setup as well. This is what sets apart this Bamba Nyumba na AMG house. So follow me. Now this is the rooftop, ladies and gentlemen. Take a look at this. Such an amazing space. You can even have your events right here, or your morning coffee right here. Imagine having your coffee in the views of Mount Kenya right there. We have the Lol Daiga Hills right there, my goodness. And this side, as if all those was not enough, we have the Aberdare ranges. One interesting thing for you, by the way, we have water readily available in this place, and connection is from us to you. Very interesting. Awesome. I told you about the space in the car park. This is all for your cars, and you can have as many guests as possible in this place. Take a look at this beautiful front yard. We have the beautiful parking area as well, and this yard is for you. This is how big a 1/4 acre piece of land is. And let me tell you something. You thought water was the only thing? Ladies and gentlemen, the transformer of the electricity lines lies just right here at the entrance. This is the place. This house is your holiday home. This house is your Airbnb. This house is the place to be.
Wow, can we appreciate the Nyumba? And I think that presenter amejaribu sana. We can just appreciate him kwa makofi pia. He's a great guy. You should get to know him a bit, yeah? Thank you. I can see we are still being joined by a lot of people. Come on, as Martin has said, right now is the time to call. Kama mtu ako mahali amelala, muamshe, mwambie huu si wakati, mpigie simu. Tell them we are finally giving the 3-bedroomed house ya Bamba Nyumba na AMG. Yeah? Mpigieni simu. I'll give you a minute even as we read the comments. And Anne Bronard, we can see you. Anita Bell anasema yeye anangojea call. Nelly is saying nani anataka nyumba ndio aoe? That is what Nelly is saying. We are in a New Year resolutions. Ziko kwa kishindo. Si ndio? Where there is a house, there is a home. Is that correct? Or where there is a home, there is a house? Where there is a home, there is a house. Amazing. Where there is a home, there is a house. So imagine uko na mtu na uko na asanti. So uko na home na uko na house. Mutani correct baadaye. Amazing. Shiko Simon naye ako hapa kwa kishindo, anaita Marion Kajosaya, anamuuliza uko wapi bwana? Nyumba inapeano. Hadi Francis, nyumba ni ya king, it's a palace. I hear you some Offville. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, let us also acknowledge one of our media partners as well, Jeremy Damaris, who is joining us live. Let's appreciate Jeremy Damaris joining us live from Birmingham. Ladies and gentlemen, so let's appreciate him one more time. We also have Idaga TV with us, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, and Hannah Wambugu is tuned with us. Rachel Wamboye 1, I can see you also tuned in. And ladies and gentlemen, we are ready to give the house. I want you to look at your neighbor in a silent but straight gaze. Nataka umwangalie na intense one. You get me? Intensity. We are about to give 3-bedroomed house sitting on a quarter-acre piece of land. This is Bamba Nyumba na AMG Realtors Grand Draw. We are live at our permanent residence here at AMG Center, located along Thika Road, right here at Roasters. Exit yenyewe ni exit number 7 from the Thika Superhighway. Are we ready to give the house? Bamba Nyumba, eh? Bamba Nyumba! AMG, eh? AMG. So at this juncture, I would like us to, nimesema nini? Is it juncture or juncture? Ladies and gentlemen, I'm from Nyeri originally. So mukisikia CH zimekuwa SH, simumeelewa. Yeah? Yeah, so it is time for some shade, because this is the opportunity that we are giving a 3-bedroom house courtesy of Bamba Nyumba na AMG. This is the grand draw. So help me invite, ladies and gentlemen, help me invite our CEO designate one more time. Let's invite Martin Gethenji kwa makofi. Amazing, amazing. And joining us as well, I'd like us to appreciate our director and our general manager, Agnes Komakofi, as she steps forward as well. Ladies and gentlemen, we have our BCLB officials as well. Let's appreciate them, Komakofi, as they join us here up front. Amazing, amazing. Yes, and I would like, yes, karibuni sana our BCLB officials. Let's appreciate them, Komakofi. Musikue shy. Amen. And I want to take it over to our CEO designate, Martin Gethenji, because ladies and gentlemen, we are getting, it was this serious. Mulidhani tunangoja zaidi? Eh? Asanti. Your silence inamaanisha you are feeling the intensity. Are you feeling it? AMG. AMG. Awesome. So let's appreciate Martin tena kwa makofi.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Again, I don't want, the speeches are over. It's about to go down. Let's know the winner of the 3-bedroom house. And as we do that, it is important that we mention, as we have seen, we have government officials through Betting Control and Licensing Board who licensed us to carry out this particular promotion. It is important that probably to say one or two things. Okay, but he is here to ensure that it is above board. So number one, it is important to mention that the criteria for getting into this draw was very simple. Every 100,000 Kenya shillings paid from September to end of December gave you 1 ticket to enter into the draw. And as we said, now is the time ya kuvuna ulicho panda. Sindio? Ni time ya kuvuna ulicho panda. Sasa, hii promotion, through the license we were given by BCLB, all the draws we've conducted since we began were through the system or technology, where all the tickets are there, all the entire tickets of the customers who've invested with us are in this system. So we are going to run this particular draw through a system which is above board. All our customers are there. The entire tickets, more than 15,000 tickets are there. And of course, as we said, this is the time to get to know the winner. So again, it is important to ask, are you ready? Are you ready? We need to count. 10 to 1, we get to know the winner. Cindy, are we ready? Are we ready? So on my screen, and I believe all the cameras are on the screen, majority of them. So just wait a minute. Hold up. Draw running as we are seeing. We'll select the date. We started from then to, as we said, the start of the campaign, the start of the promotion to 31st December when the campaign was running. And then, just wait a minute, and then all the tickets that were there will be ran. Will be? Tuko pamoja? This is the time we've been waiting for. Tuko pamoja? It's about to go? Are we ready? Are we ready? No, wait a minute. Are we ready? Yes. In a count of 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, running, it's running. And the winner is, are we ready? Are we ready? Are we ready? Are we ready? Hey! Hey! Nyumba, hey! Nyumba, hey! Nyumba, hey! Nyumba! Nyumba, hey! Nyumba! And the winner is, and the winner is, so, woo! And the winner is Samuel Rugu Kihuga. Woo! Let's clap, let's clap, let's clap, let's clap. Woo, 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 woo. And that is the winner, ladies and gentlemen. Believe it or not. Amini usia? Amini usia? Tuko na mshindi, 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 mshindi. Ni baraka kutoka kwa Mungu, kweli kweli, ni baraka kweli. Tuimbe kweli kweli, ni baraka, mshindi wetu wa Bamba Nyumba, umbariki. Ni baraka kutoka kwa Mungu, kweli kweli, ni baraka kweli, ni baraka kutoka kwa Mungu, kweli kweli, ni baraka. Tuko na mshindi, tuko naye, tuko naye, hatuna. Sasa tumpigie. Yes, ndio. Tule simu tupigie mshindi. Ati anaitwa nani tena? Samuel. Anaitwa nani tena? Samuel. Sasa miswali ni Samuel ana watch. Mimi ndio najua. Sasa ana watch ama guy? Ako wapi? We have a winner. Bamba Nyumba winner 2023. Samuel, congratulations, and tunataka kukupigia tuweze kukua yale ambayo yamefanyika, ya kwamba tumepata mshindi wa 3-bedroom house and a 1/4 acre piece of land in Nanyuki. So again, it's important to mention that all the participants of this promotion were and are our customers, and we have in our custody the full information of all our customers, including their contact numbers, email addresses, and their locations. Tuko pamoja? So it is very easy to get to know the winner's number. So let's do this. Are we ready? Tuko pamoja? Okay. Okay. So we are waiting. We've dialed. Hello? Hello? Hello, hi, how are you? Hello, how are you? My name is Martin Githinji. And I am the CEO designate at AMG Realtors Limited.
Okay.
Fantastic. Now we can hear you. My name is Martin Githinji. I am the CEO designate here at AMG Realtors Limited. And I want to confirm, am I speaking to Samuel?
Yes, this is Samuel.
Thank you, Samuel. Samuel, where are you from right now?
In Oregon, in a place called Portland.
Oregon in the US.
Yes.
Okay. Now, Samuel, I'm here with Director, General Manager, AMG Realtors, Agnes. I am with BCLB, Betting Control and Licensing Board, officials from the government. I'm also joined by the entire AMG team. AMG, AMG. I'm also joined live on location by Monica Kagoni, who is one of our partners. I'm with Millie Chebi, with Terence, and of course, our online community who are watching us live on location. I'm calling you from our physical permanent address here at AMG Center to deliver some news that you, after conducting a draw to know the winner of the 3-bedroom house in Nanyuki, you are the winner of the house.
Oh my God. Is it real?
Sorry? Are you?
Is it real? Yeah.
Yeah, it's real.
Oh, I can't believe I have never won anything.
How are you feeling?
Just confirm, is it real?
Okay. Okay. Are your name Samuel Rogo Kihuga?
Yes, that's my name.
Have you invested with AMG?
Yes, I have done. I have invested heavily with AMG. In and I'm planning to also invest in the new.
Fantastic. Did you hear that we are running a draw to give a 3-bedroom house in Nanyuki?
No, I had it, but I forgot about the date.
You forgot about it? Okay. You forgot about it?
Yeah, because I have never won anything. So most of the time, I do invest without expecting to get something.
Please talk.
Hi, Samuel.
Hi.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year too.
And what a wonderful year it's going to be for you, because it's for real. I can confirm it. Your name is on the screen. We've done it above board, and we are so happy and excited for you. Samuel, congratulations. And I hope this home will be a blessing to you and your family. Congratulations.
Oh, thank you so much. Oh my God, I can't believe it.
You better believe it. And we will take you there. We will show you your new home. And we look forward to it becoming warmer and filling it up with furniture and just making a lot of happy memories for you and your family. And just so that you can confirm, we'll have the BCLB official tell you with his very mouth that it is you who has won. Hold on. You're not allowed to? Okay, he's nodding. He's really nodding because he's not allowed to, but congratulations from all of us here at AMG. And again, let's just clap for Samuel. Congratulations.
Oh my God, thank you so much.
Oh, fantastic. I think please go ahead.
I was getting myself ready for the day.
Oh, you are getting ready for the day? I think you can go back to the house.
6 in the morning.
You can. Fantastic. We are so happy for you, and I think one more time, because I'm with the entire AMG team, in 3, 2, 1, let's tell Samuel congratulations. 3, 2, 1.
Congratulations.
With me here is the key. I have the key to the house, and of course the title to the plot. You transfer that title to your name once in quarter acre. After this, we are going to get, of course, as I said, being our existing customer, we'll get to talk about all the other details about how to hand over the house, and of course to give you that title for the quarter acre piece of land. Once again, we have come to the end of Bamba Nyumba na AMG. Believe it or not, tuko na mshindi. Mnajua tuko na mshindi? Ako hapa, tuko na yeye, tuko na mshindi. Swali kubwa ni hii. Mnajua swali kubwa ni gani? Mnajua swali kubwa ni gani? Sasa hii mwaka wewe unatuangalia. Utaangalia watu wakishinda, wewe ukiwa hapo. Hata wewe unaweza kuwa mshindi. Na si mshindi tu wa nyumba, unaweza kuwa mshindi wa investment, ambazo tuko nazo. Nimemention tuko na All Saruni, a new project next to Sarova, Mayan na Nyuki. Sijui ako hapo bado? Samuel.
Yes, I'm here. Yes, I'm here.
I forgot to ask, maybe for the people who are watching us online, it's important for you to mention, how was the experience with AMG before we let you go? How was the experience investing with AMG?
I can say first, I did my due diligence before investing with you guys. And I have come to realize, and I can confirm that AMG is the only company which is reliable, and I can encourage people who are outside the country to invest with AMG.
Wow, wow, amazing. And what would you advise someone who probably watching us asking, as you were asking, is this real? Is investing with AMG real? What would you want to advise anyone outside the country and also here in Kenya? What would be that advice from you, Samuel?
Just to try to continue investing with AMG. When they put their money in with AMG, they get the value for their money.
Fantastic, fantastic. Thank you once more. And as I said, congratulations. And of course, we'll talk to you after this proceeding, live proceeding, so that we can get to know how to hand over this fantastic 3-bedroom house in Nanyuki. Elijah, you have something?
No, Martin, we have to officially do this. Na watu ndio waone tuko serious. Unajua walikuwa wameona hii bado imefungika wakadhani kuna matumaini. Labda kuna nyumba ingine. So I want you and the general manager to do us the honors of officially cutting this ribbon now that Samuel is our winner, and officially ending Bamba Nyumba na AMG.
Okay.
Let's appreciate Martin and our general manager kwa makofi.
Okay. Yeah, thank you, Sam.
Thank you too.
Okay. Okay, so let's do this. All right.
Jameni, tutawaangalia tu. Hatutawa celebrate.
In 3, 2, 1. Today we mark officially the end. Na AMG in 3, 2,
1. Let's appreciate them.
Fantastic. So thank you, BCLP, for your participants. For your availability to come and, of course, ensure that whatever we are doing, what we started, we'll be able to end it on the note that we started. So thank you very much, and God bless you. Of course, as we said, we'll continue to give our customers from wherever you are fantastic and amazing awards and rewards this year 2024. So don't wait. Don't wait when we announce that we have something. Start now so that we can have you on our records. So that immediately we start anything, you'll be the first people to put into consideration with the fantastic prizes that we have for all of you who will be investing with us this 2024. I want to take this opportunity to hand over the mic to our general manager so that we can wind up Bamba Nyumba na AMG. GM.
Thank you. Good evening again. Happy New Year again. And we just want to congratulate Samuel just one more time. We are thankful. I'm actually now here to do a vote of thanks. So we always start by thanking God because it is He who has allowed us to come to this event tonight. We thank Him for the gift of life. We thank Him for all of us who are here, and especially for the blessing that He has given to Samuel, because it is God who has given it to Samuel. So thank you, Lord, very much. And then we want to thank Samuel for being our investor, because if he wasn't an investor, he would never have won. He gave us his trust and he put his money with us, and now somehow he has become the lucky winner. But we also want to thank all of our customers, because we can start a promotion like this and maybe nobody will participate, but like Martin was giving those huge numbers, all those people who put in their money, all those people who participated in the promotion, thank you, thank you, thank you. And then I want to start by thanking our ambassador, Bamba Nyumba ambassador. Elijah, thank you very much. He has been there every day. Every single day from when we started in September all the way to today. And he has not reduced that energy. Amaje, he's been there pushing and encouraging and inviting. And that is why we've had a successful promotion. All of our staff here at AMG. Because a business cannot be run without people. And all of you are such stars and you show up to work every day and we are grateful. So thank you. Asanteni sana, our CEO designate, our head of sales, all the team leaders, everyone in the departments, marketing, finance. Thank you very much. And then we want to thank BCLB for your support. Thank you for allowing us to run this campaign, for allowing us to run it and to give out the house. We are so very, very grateful. I had a list, so I don't want to miss out on anybody. We want to thank our influencers. Thank you for trusting us, putting your name on the line and agreeing to partner with us. Monica, asante sana. Millie Chebi and Terence, thank you very much. Jeremy Online, thank you. We want to thank our media partners, starting with the very, very wonderful station, Idhaga TV. If you haven't watched it, look for them online. You should like the digital TV, subscribe. Idhaga TV is excellent and they have been such wonderful partners to us. We want to thank the team from Medha Yakagoni who are helping us with the live streaming, KDM. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah, I'm very happy and I'm so glad that Samuel Rugu Kehogo is the winner. So God bless us, everyone. Asante. So I want to wrap this up with a prayer. Let us pray. Now, how could I forget? Our director and founder of the business, who also happens to be my related party. Wherever he is, he sends his salams and he says, congratulations to Samuel. And he says, thank you to everyone I have thanked. You know, when I speak as him also. Yes, we are one. And we are one business, AMG family. So thank you, Andrew, for your support, for your leadership. And wherever you are, we are happy. This promotion has come to an end nicely. Thank you, CEO. That's why we are a team. Aya, tuseme asante kwa Mungu. Let's pray. Dear Lord, thank you so much. Your word says that he who began a good work in us will be faithful to complete it. And today we have seen you complete this promotion. We have seen you blessing Samuel. I know that there are many who had hoped and who had dreamed that it would be them who would win. But today it is Samuel's turn. And because it is Samuel's turn, all of us are going to celebrate with him and we are all going to be happy for him. And we know that our day is also coming. Thank you, Lord, even for the gift of life, for allowing us opportunities like this to do a promotion and to see it come to conclusion successfully. We are grateful for everyone who has come together to make this thing a success. And we ask that you would bless each and every one of us. You are such a good God and we will never tire of thanking you for loving us. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen. Back to our ambassador to wrap it up.
Mimi kama balozi, kama ambassador. Kama let's appreciate our general manager kwa makofi. Come on, you can do a better than that. Awesome. Let's also appreciate our CEO designate Martin Gedenji. No. Have you seen the energy that he has exuded, right? Sindio, nimepata hiyo. Have you seen the energy which he has exuded right here? We cannot appreciate him in such a way. Come on, let's appreciate energy kwa makofi. Amazing. Ladies and gentlemen, that has been Bamba Nyumba na AMG Grand Draw. I have been your host. You can call me Mingesh or you can call me Elijah Mainge. Simunipigia hata mimi kama kofi. Thank you, and to all our viewers. Okay, if you want to invest, by the way, if you are looking to invest in property with AMG Realtors, I happen to be also a relationship manager at AMG Realtors. So contact us today. Don't contact me. You can contact me as well. But contact us today at +2547. Karibu nipeane yangu by the. Nipeane yangu. You can contact me at +254759819762 or you can contact me at +254759819762 or contact us as AMG Realtors at +2547968885. Aya, sasa wacha nirudie. You can contact me at +254759819762. Nasema haraka. +254759819762. Nitarudia +254759819762 or contact us as AMG Realtors at +2547968885. Thank you very much to all our viewers and to everyone. Bamba Nyumba, eh? Bamba Nyumba! AMG, eh? AMG, ah! Come on, let's appreciate ourselves kwa makofi.
Gift voucher was $300. Peggy Munanie Wamba.
My name is Peggy, and I'm this week's winner of Bamba Nyumba na AMG.
Rima Jones. Gift voucher was $300. Peggy Munanie Wamba.
My name is Peggy, and I'm this week's winner of Bamba Nyumba na AMG.
Rima Jones Makumba. Oh my goodness.
I was really happy. Well, I would just say I was not shocked.
Martin Kuria Njenga.
My name is Martin Kuria, the lucky winner of the 50 by 100 plot by the AMG.
$300.
Imagine.
Oh God. The $300. That's good money. Thank you.
Congratulations. How are you feeling?
Oh, so good.